how to use picture in picture on YouTube on my Android and iPhone. Like open any video, so as you can see, now enable picture in picture mode on my Android and iPhone. So let's go to enable this. Okay, all right, simply at first open settings, scroll down, press on apps, open settings, go to general and find here to YouTube apps. Okay, I'm get YouTube apps. Just open, scroll down and showing it to picture in picture mode. Just make sure to enable this. Okay, I'm already enabled this. Close and general, you get picture in picture mode option. So you get picture in picture mode option in here, but I'm not get picture in picture mode option because I am update my iOS 27, so no need to enable manually. This is automatically enable picture in picture mode on my iOS 27. So just close this, open YouTube and play a video, play and play. Just swipe, now add, go back and middle option. As you can see, now add picture in picture mode. That's it.